Hello, Assalamualaikum beautiful people. How are you? I hope everyone is fine with good health. Alhamdulillah. Yes. আজকে আমি না এখন না। So আজকে আমি সারপ্রাইজ আমার দুই দুলাভাই আমাকে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে। সাউন্ডটা একটু কমান বিকজ আমি ব্লগ করছি। So I don't know কোথায় নিয়ে যাচ্ছে। Let's see. ততক্ষণ obviously somewhere good inshallah. So আপনারা আমার সাথেই থাকবেন till then. Love and peace. Let's meet where I don't know. সেটা continue থাকবে. And see who is with me. Namir. He's sleeping. So দেখি ওখানে পৌঁছানোর পর আপনাদের সাথে কথা হবে. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. চলে এসেছি finally Gulshan I think chef table Gulshan 2 yes chef table है so দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন ফ্যামিলির সাথে kids corner অনেক কিছু আছে so দেখা যাক আমি actually after 2 years I came to Gulshan with my family especially my sisters and my brother-in-laws they are giving me treat I don't know what but I'm going to show you what my son is doing so let's enter the kids corner finally he is into his let me show what he is doing so let's see Namir hi Goro say hi Namir say hi to mommy so as you can see he's too busy driving he's a very good driver and so let's see what else is happening with my other end I want to introduce my handsome brother-in-law you people wanted to know so he is my immediate sister's husband so here comes hello so কিছু বলেন আপনার শাড়ির ব্যাপারে at least subscribe our channel
please subscribe our channel
হ্যাঁ share it like it so thank God that he said so let's move on to the other corner till then let my son let him play enjoy his time and I'm very excited and nervous as well because after a long time I came and I don't know why I'm having like I'm gonna fall faint because I'm not used to around too many people never mind so need to enjoy the time so let's see how this chef table is going to treat already they're clicking pictures and when I ask them they are not ready so that's how they are anyways let me order the food till then I'll meet you soon with food and all that. You're going to see how foodie I am. Okay? So here my families are. Bye-bye. So finally I have chosen my food which is tandoori naan and see how foodie I am. Yummy. It looks yummy.
My treat.
Hashtag my treat. So not only these things, I had many things. You can see the menu. Okay, so this one is from where? So let me eat. I'm not the only one who is eating here. I hope you will enjoy with me. So here comes. Bye bye Tata. Let me eat and then I will be back. I'm really having the yummy Indian tandoori that I really missed for so long. So you can come here and come to Tarka, Gulshan to chef table. Okay? Wow. So till then, let me enjoy.
Bye bye.
And see how much I can eat. Let me show you who is doing this. Otherwise, he is not going to stop. This man. Okay? খাওয়ান শালিকে একটু খাওয়ান
আচ্ছা চলো
চলেন আমি খাওয়াই আপনাকে
খাইতেছো এটা কি দেখাতে হবে
Obviously.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে বাদ দাও
আচ্ছা খাক 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 ফোন করে খাক রাজু এনজয় বললে না বন্ধ শেষ
না আসলে ওটা মজা লাগছে
রাতে একটা জাস্ট ডিপ করো নাম দিব রাজু আরো
So guys, I am actually done. We are done with all everything. You can see my family sitting just behind me. I had a lot of like food and everything. You will see on my blog. So yes, that's it. I'm going to finish my blog. I'm just having tea. So let me have my tea and just get back to home as usual. So till then, take care. Love and peace. Allah Hafiz. Nahid Hussain. Be safe. Be at home. Be positive and be natural.